Hello all, welcome to my second video, and today I'm going to show you how to make the computer read for you in a Word doc or in a PowerPoint, whatever you want, it can read for you, and I'll show you the way how. So here's a Word doc, I'll open it. Here I've got too much to read. Yes, here I've got something to read. And then if I want to make the computer read this, then you have to go here, search bar, you have to click here, and then you have to type read aloud. Then you'll get the read aloud option here. You have to click on that. Then you'll get the play and pause
The
button
fundamental
here.
unit of life.
So it'll play for you.
Recall that living organisms are made up of cells. Recognize the parts of a compound microscope and appreciate its use.
And then you can also change the person who's reading for you. Here's like David was reading, Microsoft David. Now I'll make it Mark. Okay, and I'll start.
Differentiate between unicellular and multicellular organisms. Relate the structure with the function of cell organelles.
See, now the thing changed. Now I'll show you once more. Now Microsoft Zara will read.
Investigate and illustrate the structure of plasma membrane, cell wall, and relate it to their role in the cell.
Okay, and then one more function is there. You can also like the reading speed. If you want it slower, then you have to move it to the left. Then you
Explain the structure of plasma membrane and interpret its role as selectively permeable membrane.
So it reads very slow here, but then if I go for fast, then it'll go super fast. Now see, you won't able to you won't be able to understand this. So you have to mostly keep it at the middle. Now see,
the structural and functional unit of the organism.
So that's the best thing. Okay, so guys, here's the end of my video, and if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, please. Thank you.